panagaya mo sir, DJ search and retrieval tayo, kaya DJ ubi nga mapupukot yung kalayag.
Actually, napantay-mantay bigatin nga through dati water assets tayo, nag-boat da, napanpasukin, at the same time napandapay ito'y Kurimaw. Unfortunately, awan aming nga nasapulan. So, nakasarita mi met dato'y parents. Itatay, nagmi-meeting kami. For the meantime, kasi ika-7th day nanton eh. So, for the meantime, kitain tayo to pa no kasanon to pa.
Kaya nasa uwan, Dr. Insardeng tayo, hindi pa nagkasa.
Met nga Insardeng, temporarily, kasi we have tried everything. From asset to assets tayo, from air, land, water, napan-aminin. That's why, no adan to, through your help, no adan to man sighting, when no reported kada kayo, we will verify and we will help kasi awan met nakita mi pay as of now.